Welcome to my channel Let's Learn. Today in this video I'd like to prepare you for our upcoming web application penetration testings program. At the very first moment before we start the penetrations program, first of all we have to install the Burp Suite on our computer. Right now I am using Windows 11 operating system. I am on the Windows environment. So I'll simply go to the Chrome browser and search for Burp Suite Community Edition. Once I hit enter, then it will give me the download options to download Community Editions. Click over here. Then here you can enter your email address and start downloading, or we can go straight to the download button and here we can download it. The browser has already detected which operating systems I am using. So as a result, PortSwigger also came to know that which operating system I am using it. So that's why it gave me an offer of Windows 64-bit version and Windows ARM version. So mine is Windows 64 version. So I'm going to download it. To download it, click it here. Then your download will start shortly. If you are using other operating systems like Linux OS or other OS also or Mac, you can download it, and it is very important and it is mandatory to download the Burp Suite Community Edition. Once it is downloaded, you can simply double click it and follow the process to install it, which is always easy process. Let me show you also that part also. Now you can see the download is completed. To install the Burp Suite, just go to the download and click it. In very short period of time, it will give you a new window. Here I can see the apps you are trying to install isn't Microsoft verified apps. We know that it may not be available in the Microsoft Store. We are not going through the Microsoft Store because we have manually downloaded it. So let me install it anyway. I'll click on install anyway. Then it will start extracting the application. Then after that, click next. Then where you want to install it. By default, I want it may show you C drive program files. Definitely me too, I prefer that place. So I will not make any changes on this. I'll click next. Then it will start extracting the files and will shortly start installation of the program. The wizard has completed installing the Burp Suite. I can run it. Let me show you how it runs. Finish. On the community editions, there will be some sorts of limitations because Burp Suite are available in two flavors. One is community editions, another is professional editions. Professional editions being on the higher, you have to pay for that. So we are not going to use professional editions as of now. As we are on community editions, you just simply click next and start the Burp Suite. Burp Suite Community Edition has started. Some of the few things we have to be careful before we start the lab program is there are many tabs, and one of the most useful tabs is proxy. I'll talk with you about the proxies, how to capture the traffic, how to analyze it later on in later videos. But for now, under the proxy sections, we have a browser, open browser. And this is the browser we are going to use. It is an open source Chromium browser. When you click it, depending on the speed of your computer, it will open. This is a Chromium browser with the very same feelings of Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser. Now for the next part of our lab or workshop, we have to register ourselves on PortSwigger Academy. To register on the PortSwigger Academy, you might already be on the PortSwigger Academy page while you are downloading the Burp Suite. So go to the Academy section. Here it is here. Then on the Academy, you need to sign up. If you have already logged in, then it's okay, forget it. Now, if you are If you came to this site for the first time, then you have to sign up here. From here, click on the sign up, then use your username as an email address. Maybe you can use your Gmail address and the password. But remember your username and your password. In this case, I will recommend you to save your password somewhere in the notepad or somewhere in the sticky note securely, but make it securely, because what the things is that we are not going to use Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser. Rather, we are going to use the Chromium browser, which I've already talked to you. The Chromium browser, we are going to use the Chromium browser because while using the browser, we have to make sure that Burp Suite is capturing the traffic sent by the browser. So if you want Chromium, Google Chrome traffic to be captured by the Burp Suite, you have to make the changes on the proxy, which is a little longer process, not that very difficult. But when you stop working for the workshop, you have to switch it back again to the no proxy, which is back and forth is quite difficult. That might be easier in case of Firefox also, by using different extension. But the problem is again that you have to install the certificate from the PortSwigger Academy Burp Suite also, Burp Suite certificate. So to eliminate all this hassle, it will be best to go to the inbuilt browser of the Burp Suite, inbuilt browser of the Burp Suite. And the only problems with that browser is that it might not save your password next time when you open this browser. So you have to either save it somewhere else. Otherwise, you might be having trouble logging to your PortSwigger Academy again and again, particularly if your password is a little bit longer or difficult to remember. Thank you for watching this video. I believe you love this video, and I will consider you giving me a subscriptions or like to this video. And I would love to see you in another video for our actual tutorial on web application penetration testings. Thank you very much.